Hi, and welcome back to the channel, Keto Cooker with Ron. Well, our Instant Pot time is done, so we're going to vent it off, and we're not going to wait for it to naturally release itself. So we're going to unplug it. Just be careful when the steam comes out of there, so you don't burn yourself. Show you what I'm talking about. That'll just snap down when it's ready to pop the lid. Okay, see? We're going to test one of these turnips here. We can see it's really cooked. Fork is just coming right through it. Take the carrots and take the carrots and the turnip into our bowl. And the onion. What do you guys think, huh? So there you have our Sunday dinner. We have it in the from the Instant Pot, the carrots and the turnip. Now I'm just going to slice it up and plate it, and we'll go talk about it in the back room. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, Keto Cooking with Ron, and I'm Ron. Well, if you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you're a returning member, welcome back. And if you're a new member, could you please share, like, and subscribe? It helps other people know when they post the latest video. So today we decided to make corned beef and turnip and carrots, and the turnip as a potato substitute for the potatoes, and we put a good size onion in there for the flavor. And then we salt and peppered our corned beef and put a little bit of pickle spice for the flavoring and a cup of water into the Instant Pot. And we cooked it all off for about an hour. We peeled the turnip, the carrots. We got the baby carrots because they were already peeled. It's easier for us. And then I got a little slab of butter with a little bit of pepper on the vegetables. I don't even put salt because the meat's salty enough as it is. But this is the first time that I ever had this type of turnip. I've had the other kind of turnip before, but it's awful bitter. I'm not sure if this is going to taste the same or what, but that's what the texture looks like for the potato after it cooked down, after the turnip cooked down. Now, it was very, very easier to peel than the last one I had, on the orange turnip. It's very, very good. There's no aftertaste to it. Yeah, I'm happy. Let me try a piece of meat. Look at that, guys, huh? Really good and tasty. Now, if you like corned beef and cabbage, of course, cabbage is the traditional for the St. Patty's Day. But you can always put some Brussels sprouts and cook them up on the side so they're not mushy when you cook them up in the Instant Pot. This came out absolutely fantastic. The meat's fully cooked. You can cut it up with a fork. You don't even really need a knife. See how tender it is? And yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and kill the video. Enjoy my dinner. And watch the game today, and maybe go out for another late afternoon walk. It's about 70 here in our city today, and yeah, so let me know what you guys think. And the question of the day was, what's your favorite Sunday dinner? What's your favorite memory that you can have with your parents? My mom used to always make roast beef on Sunday dinner, and of course she always made it with turnip, and I know why I didn't like it, because I didn't care for that particular kind of turnip she had, but I didn't realize they had two different kinds of turnip. Maybe there's more than that, I don't know. But I really love this. This is the I think that's it's a turnip right there. It kind of, it looks like a potato. I don't notice it, and it even tastes like a potato. And there's no turnip taste to it. There's no bitter taste to it. I really love this. So this is another game changer for me, to try to lay off some of the holiday carbs. Look at that, guys, huh? Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Remember, you guys are amazing. Love you guys.